Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I just want to say real quick, shout out to OnePlus because they actually hooked me up with the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, bro. I was not expecting this. Also, real quick, I want to say real quick that I'm not in front of the camera because I'm just looking mad crusty today. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, so I'm just behind the camera today, man. It is what it is. Now, I did expect this to a certain extent because they did ask me. They was like, Latrell, you want to hop in an embargo? Which the embargo actually ends today. No cap. It's actually what is it? It's February 28th. That's when the embargo ends. But they wanted to go and send me out the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, man. And now that I got this, I got to go and buy me like a regular OnePlus 12R. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy one today and then get it in the mail tomorrow from Amazon or something. I mean, at the end of the day, I could just go to Best Buy, but I could just record the other part of this video tomorrow. So we'll see. So let's go and check out what's good with this. So if you want to go pick this up, you can get it from the OnePlus website for $650. So that's gonna be $250 more than the regular OnePlus 12R. And it looked like it's actually sold out right now, which is kind of crazy because it literally just dropped today. The pre-orders just started today. But when they actually drop this thing again, because they will do another drop, but when they make another drop of this thing, you can actually go ahead and trade in any phone, any condition for $100 still. So just like the regular OnePlus 12 and the 12R, you can actually go ahead and just trade in any phone, any condition for $100, which is actually pretty dope because I'm just saying, man, just throwing a landline or something you straight. Like, look, it is what it is. But all right, let's go and check out what's good with this box. And just for comparison, this is the size of the regular OnePlus 12 box. So not even the 12R, but the 12. Look at the difference right there, bro. That's crazy, man. I'm telling you. This is a dope collaboration right here, but if you look at the top, we got some text over here, as you can see. So just part of the Genshin Impact thing, and then you can see that she got the OnePlus 12R right there. On the left side, we got the OnePlus logo and Genshin Impact. At the bottom, we just got OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. On the right side, we got the same thing. On the back, we don't really got nothing. And at the top, we just got the same exact thing. All right, cool. So the one I got right here is going to be 16 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. So we got a decent amount of specs up on here. So not only is this my first time checking out the Genshin Impact Edition, but this is my first time checking out the OnePlus 12R. Let's go and check this thing out, man. Just got a couple pieces of tape to cut right here. All right, so we got those, and we might be straight right there. Let's see what's good with this, man. Woo! Boy, there we go. Let's see what's good with this. All right, hold up. Let's go and get this out of here. Oh, snap. Oh, snap, OnePlus. OnePlus, hold on a second. Let me zoom out. Okay, we good. Hold up a second. OnePlus Genshin Impact. Oh, wait, do we just lift this up? Oh, wait a second. Hold up a second, boy. That's cold. That's cold, bro. OnePlus, y'all doing y'all thing over here, man. I'm telling y'all. Okay, this is pretty dope. And then you can see here that we have like these ribbons over here to keep it in place, I think. Okay, OnePlus. Okay. All right, so let's go check out what's good with this. So we have this, like, it looks like you can put this on your shirt. So, all right, that's pretty dope. Let me go ahead and take this off. All right, yeah, there we go. That's pretty decent. Let's go and check this out. So we got the Genshin Impact. So we're gonna have custom themes and all that, and like a custom design. You'll check this out here in a second. Look at this. Oh, hold on a second. Yo, that's cool, man. Hold on, let me put this against my actual OnePlus 12. Yeah, that's pretty dope, man. You know what we gotta do. Let's go and pull that sticker off real quick. And yeah, just check out the design right here, man. Okay. I'm feeling that a lot, man. I'm not gonna lie. So I didn't think I would like it that much, but that's cool. And you got all types of branding up on here. Like, let me go and zoom in on this. You can check this out right here, as you can see. So yeah, that looks clean, man. I'm not gonna lie. So we don't even got, well, we got like one OnePlus logo over here, and that's it. Now, obviously, that ain't everything inside the box. Let's go and see what else we got up in here. So, all right. So let's just go and throw that to the side. All right, that's cool. Now let's go ahead and pull this up. It looked like we got a lot inside this box here. And oh, snap. Hold up a second. Wait, what's this? Hold up a second, man. What is this? What I think it is? Oh, it's a case. We got a case up in here too, bro. Hold up, man. That's cold. Okay, I could get with this, man, for real though. So yeah, we do got a case up in here. Let's go and throw it to the side real quick. And then we got some custom books over here. So let's go ahead and check this out. A letter to the traveler. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that. Let's go and check out what's good with this. And it looks like we have some contents. We have a theme display stand. We have how to assemble accessories. Oh snap, okay. Okay, I get, wait, hold up a second. We got the custom charges too. Let's go. Okay, man, this is dope. You can't lie right here. And this is actually an 80-watt charge over here. I'm pretty sure this is the 80-watt version anyway. Because at least with the OnePlus 12, they give you an 80-watt and it actually charges up to 100 watts. I don't know the full specs on the OnePlus 12R. I'm gonna have to check that out. But all right, let me go ahead and just take this off real quick. And the charge is a little bit different over here, as you can see. So we have this like angle charger, as you can see. So that's not normal on the OnePlus 12. We'll have to check out everything else. But all right. right, cool. That's dope. Now let me go to the side and let's see what else we got over here. So let's go ahead and take this out. OnePlus Genshin. All right, let's go and check this out. Looks like we got a bunch of like shirt buttons over here. So I don't know how we take this out. Nope. Okay, I think I found it. There you go. All right, bet. So if I go and pull this out here, as you can see, yeah, we have a bunch of stuff going on, man. So as you can see, yeah, pretty dope. We also have this over here. So I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to be, but all right, so cool. We got that right there. And then we have, oh, it looked like a stand. Hold up a second. Yeah, I think it is a stand. Let me see real quick. So if you check this out right here, look like that it is actually a stand. So I went in and grabbed this smaller one, and that's dope. Now that ain't everything inside the box it look like. So we do have something up in here too. Let me go ahead and pull this out real quick. Man, there is a lot to this unboxing, man. Let me go ahead and just get into this. And let's see here, OnePlus Genshin. So let's see what this is about. Look like a book. Oh yeah, so oh snap, there's a lot going on with this. And then it looked like we got another shirt button, and then yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna have to go and read over that book again to see like, well, how do we set this up? But for right now, let's go and check out this OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. So let me go ahead and, well, actually, let's look around this real quick. So on the back here, you can see that we got the camera design for the OnePlus 12R. We got a OnePlus logo, and then we got some Genshin Impact designs here in the back, so that's cool. On the left side, you can see that we got our alert slider. So this is just classic OnePlus stuff right here, man. So this ain't really nothing new. We have the volume, we have the vibrate, and then we got the silent. At the bottom, we got a SIM card trace, we got a microphone, we got a USB-C port, and then we got our speakers. On the right side, we got a volume rocker, so we got a power button. And then at the top, we got another microphone. We still got our IR blaster. So yes, we still got our IR blaster and the OnePlus 12R. They're cheaper phone. That is dope. And then yeah, that's about it. And then we got the front of the screen, obviously, with the hole punch. So let's go ahead and hold on to this power button. Let's see how long this takes to turn on, and let's see what it looked like. Does it look anything special when I turn it on? And no, just OnePlus. All right, bet. Let's just get this a minute here, and I'll get back to y'all. Oh, wait, hold up a second. So we have a custom boot animation. Did y'all just see that? Hold up a second. Okay, that's dope. All right, cool. Also, I want to go and point this out real quick. So I didn't even notice this, but look at the SIM card removal tool. That is cold. You can't lie, man. You can't lie. That's cold. Anyway, let me go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, so bet we are good. So let's go ahead and hit get started. Let's see what we looking like right there. So we got a nice little wallpaper right there. Oh, we got icons too. So we got an icon pack. We got some wallpapers over here. Okay, OnePlus, I'm seeing y'all. Let me go and check this out real quick. Yeah. All right, so that's not bad. Also, you can see over here that we got the whole purple Genshin Impact theme over here. So now I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, all right? So listen to this. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I didn't even really play Genshin Impact until they actually told me about this phone. So after I heard about this phone, I went ahead and tried it on my phone. So it's kind of crazy that I didn't even really play this on the OnePlus 12. I just brought out my Galaxy Z Fold 5 over here because I wanted to get the whole screen experience, right? Maybe I just need to get a OnePlus open, but check this out. So I was actually trying out Genshin Impact, and wait, let me go and pull this up real quick. All right, so yeah, you can see here I was actually playing it for a little bit. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely a decent game for sure. I mean, I'm still getting used to it, but yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of like what Flossie Carter said. So I watched this video. I don't remember what video it was, but he was like, who is Genshin and what is he impacting? Because I swear to God, I was like that too. Now, I'm curious because it'll be kind of off if they didn't actually pre-install it already. But let's look in the games real quick. Is Genshin Impact already installed in here? Let's see. Let me go ahead and swipe through all this. And it looks like, no, it's not.
Let's finish this quickly.
Did you hear that? Oh, hold up, but I didn't know we had notification sounds too. So I know Genshin Impact's on PC and all that, but at the same time, though, I'm kind of surprised that Genshin Impact ain't already pre-installed up on here. Let's check out the custom notification sounds and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and look through here real quick. We have ringtone, and let's go ahead and check out the ringtone up on here.
We live in an era of change, as the old order that has existed for 1,000 years is about to be rewritten. Join me. Let us bear witness to this historical moment together.
That's the ringtone? I mean, I ain't gonna cap. I feel like nobody that's really a big Genshin Impact fan is gonna really keep that as a ringtone. But I don't know. It's up to you, man. And then it's the notification sound.
Let's finish this quickly.
And it look like we got this too.
Something's come up?
Now, it look like they got a couple other sounds here too. So we got the alarm.
Morning. Time to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you're still feeling sleepy, shake it off.
Ain't no way in hell that's gonna wake me up. Let's go check out the second one too.
I'm all for work-life balance, but I think this is pushing it.
I just don't like that
procrastinating.
they're just
Let's
talking.
In adventuring, as in business, you always have to seize the opportunity while
I'm
it's
not
there.
waking up to that, bro. I'm just saying, man. You still got standard ringtones too here, as you can see, but I'm just saying, man, that ain't gonna wake me up. Now, I don't know if y'all saw it when I was fast forwarding through the setup, but if you look through this real quick, we actually also have a custom actual animation right here for the fingerprint. So if I look at this real quick, you kind of saw that right there. So I don't know if you can really see, but that's cool. Also, we do got an animated wallpaper right there, as you can see. So let me go ahead and unlock that real quick. And yeah, I like this so far, man. That's not bad. Now, since they didn't pre-install it already, let me go and do it myself. So I don't know, man. Maybe you just don't want it pre-installed and you rather have it like this, but I don't know. I thought that was kind of weird, but it is what it is. Now, I know they would tell me there's special enhancements to the Genshin Impact experience. I don't know what that means. I don't know if they talking about the OS or the game or what, but I don't know. Let's check this out and see what they really talking about right here. So we do got this OnePlus gaming mode right here, so that's cool. We can see all the specs and everything going on. Let me go put this in pro gamer mode. I don't know why I want it in balance or low power saving mode. Why would I want to do that, man? Let me go ahead and start this game up and see what we looking like real quick. I think we still have to go ahead and download some additional, like, yep, I figured. So you have to go and download some resources real quick. Now, one thing that actually surprised me about this is that this actually sports Wi-Fi 7 up on here. So I didn't even expect that. I don't even got Wi-Fi 7 yet. I got Wi-Fi 6E right now, and I just got that not that long ago. So it's kind of crazy we're already on Wi-Fi 7, but we should get fast download speeds and all that, which is cool. So y'all, that's pretty much going to do it for my OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition unboxing. So shout out to OnePlus for actually sending this out to me, man. I really appreciate it for sure. And let me know what y'all think about this. So would y'all pick y'all up a OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition? Are you a Genshin Impact fan? I don't know. Let me know down there. Also, if you want to go and pick this up, the link will be down below, so it won't be an affiliate link, I don't think anyway, but I will try to get an affiliate link if I can. But it's not too late to go and pick this up, so it's actually going to drop in the US and Canada March 21st, so go ahead and look out for that. Anyway, appreciate y'all for coming through, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really like to go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and X, and Facebook with Instagram and X are most active. And I finally figured this out. So actually come with an instruction manual, but this actually come with a phone stand and an ornament, but for whatever reason they put plastic on every single one of these pieces, and I don't know why, but it's dumb. But you can actually go ahead and take your OnePlus 12R, put it this way, or you can go ahead and put it this way and play your Genshin Impact with your controller. I imagine it's compatible with the controller on the Android, and you could just go crazy like that. So OnePlus, I'm telling you, you did not need to snap this hard, bro. I'm saying. But I need to get up out of here, man, because I'm pretty sure my boy Millie needs to go out. Millie, wanna go out? Huh? Wanna go out? Wanna go out? Wanna go out? All right, man. Appreciate you for coming through. I'm gonna get up with y'all later. Peace out. What the fuck are you doing?